Hello, students enrolled in Yorkville University's programs on campus in Toronto and Vancouver. My name is Rick Davey. I'm the president of the university, and I'd like to take just a few minutes to bring you up to date on what your university is doing to resume your studies. As you know, we finished the winter term remarkably successfully. You all have completed your term, the grades are in, we're going through progression now. I know that your program advisors and in some cases the registrar's office has been in touch with you about your studies and your status and what's happening. As you well know, the new term has been delayed until April the 20th. And between now and then, we're working hard to make sure that each of the courses is prepared for what we're calling remote delivery, and that remote delivery will be in place until such time as we're all able to get back on campus and resume the way things should be, where you're meeting on schedule with your faculty and your professors to complete your studies. What we're doing is we'll be reaching out to all of you and initiating an orientation so that you're all aware of what to expect when classes start on the 20th of April. In the meantime, we have all resources up and running. As you know, you can't go to campus right now, nor will you be able to until we get the all clear. But when we do, we're confident that everything will be back to normal. And in the meantime, using remote technologies, we're going to orient you and get you ready for the beginning of classes on April the 20th. Many of you are already part of Zoom sessions that are going on where you can meet with your program advisors and other members of the administration, get your questions answered, keep connected with the university and with each other, which is extremely important at this point. We'll have webinars in place, more Zoom meetings throughout the next couple of weeks so that you stay connected. But the worst thing that can happen right now is we all get down on ourselves and what's going on. We need to stay connected. Going to school, thinking about your studies, getting ready for next term is probably a really good thing for all of us to be working on at this point. So that's the plan. Stay healthy, stay safe, keep connected with your university, and we'll be in touch on an individual basis to get you ready for classes when they start on the 20th. Thanks very much. Bye.